Is that you? We're off to our local Bonfire Night firework display, which is right super dark, and I'm carrying this chunk because I didn't think the buggy would be a very good idea in case it gets muddy, so I'm gonna have major backache by the end of it, I'm sure. And Daisy wants to say hi. Are you excited, William?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hot dog, and I didn't count this in, and I don't care because it was so good fun, wasn't it? Yeah? Yeah? William!
With the candy floss, you get the free frisbee. Yeah, the frisbee.
Oh, this angle's really Blair Witch Project. I feel like my nose should start dripping and I should start acting really scared. As you can see, Daisy thoroughly enjoyed her first fireworks show and is fast asleep. It was so good. It was really, really good. Sorry the angle's really wobbly because I've been carrying her around now for about 2 hours and I feel like my back is about to fall off. And we're just walking home. We did the family display one, so it was like for kids really. Not that they were any less good, it was just like an earlier show. And now we're gonna go home, and then I'm gonna have a glass of Bacardi and Coke, I think, or possibly two. It was good.